Everyone wants a golden retriever, but only a few people actually get to enjoy a clean house with one. It's not because your puppy is stubborn, and it's not because Goldens are difficult to train. The truth is simple. You don't have a system. Right now, your puppy isn't being bad. They're just following instinct while you're guessing. And that guesswork is exactly why accidents keep happening again and again. In this video, we're moving away from old random methods. No more hoping your dog figures it out, and no more reacting after the mess is already done. You're about to learn a 3-step biological system. This includes your home setup, your exact daily timing, and the mindset shift that removes confusion completely. Follow this properly, and you won't need months. You can see real results in just a few weeks. Your golden retriever needs a den, not a punishment space, not a cage, but a safe and predictable place. Dogs are naturally clean animals and don't want to soil where they sleep, but this instinct only works if the setup is correct. The crate should be big enough to stand, turn, and lie down comfortably, but not big enough to create a second bathroom corner. Crate size directly controls behavior. If it's too big, your puppy will separate sleeping and peeing areas, and your training breaks instantly. Many owners think they're giving comfort, but they're actually creating confusion. The crate should be used for rest, after play, after training, and during naps, not for leaving your dog alone for long hours. The crate is a training tool, not a storage box. When used correctly, it becomes your biggest advantage by creating structure and preventing accidents. Now comes the most powerful part, the timing loop. Your puppy doesn't need freedom yet. They need a predictable routine. After every meal, nap, or play session, your puppy must go outside within 15 minutes. No exceptions. This is not random. It's biology. Your puppy's body is naturally ready at these moments. And if you miss the window, you're simply too late. Your day should follow a simple pattern. Wake up and go outside. Eat and then go outside within 10 to 15 minutes. Play and then go outside. Nap and then go outside. It may feel repetitive, but repetition builds clarity, and clarity builds habits. Many people fail because they rely on memory instead of structure and take the dog out whenever they remember. When timing is random, results are random. But when timing is consistent, your dog learns quickly and confidently. The final step is the reward trigger, where everything locks into place. Timing creates the opportunity, but reward creates the habit. The moment your puppy finishes going outside, you must mark it instantly with a word like yes, and follow it with a high-value treat, something your dog truly loves. What gets rewarded gets repeated. This teaches your dog that this exact action in this exact place is valuable. Over time, your puppy stops guessing and starts choosing the correct behavior automatically, which is when training becomes reliable.
Now, consider what happens if you don't follow this system. You won't just deal with a few accidents. You'll create long-term problems. Bad habits don't fade. They grow stronger over time. Your dog may start using hidden corners, going behind furniture, or waiting until you're not watching. On top of that, scent becomes a major issue. Dogs can detect smells you can't, so they keep returning to the same spots repeatedly. Your home becomes a map of repeated mistakes. This also affects your relationship. You become frustrated, your dog becomes confused, and communication breaks down. You're no longer training, you're reacting. Fixing this later is much harder because fixing a bad habit is 10 times harder than building a good one from the start. So now the real question is this. What's the biggest struggle you're facing right now with your golden retriever? Is it nighttime accidents, or is it the lack of a consistent schedule during the day? Let me know in the comments, because every situation matters. And if you want more simple, structured systems like this, make sure you follow and subscribe to become part of a community that trains dogs the right way. No guessing, no shortcuts, just real results.